Okay, so this is the model I was talking about. Right here, this is what you're going to see in some of the questions. So, I'm going to take a look at a question that has this model. This is the fraction model. So, right now I have nothing shaded in. If nothing's shaded in, my fraction for this right now without anything shaded in is 0 over 10. Where did I get 10 from? Where did I get 10 from? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 bars here, and I have 0 shaded in. Now, so I got the 10 from the number of bars, and 0 of them are colored in. Now, I'm going to fill in 2 of them. And I'm not going to do it perfectly, but I'm going to try my best. I filled in 2 of them. So it's no longer 0 over 10, it's actually 2. 2 over 10. Can I write this as a decimal? Absolutely I can. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it into my ones, tenths, and hundredths box. Here we go. Excuse me while I make it. Now, 2 over 10. Do I have any ones? Do I have any whole numbers? No. So I'm going to put a 0. And that means I have to put my decimal point. Always put the decimal points. What number is on top? I have a 2 out of 10. I have 2 tenths. Put it right there, the 2. So I have 0.2 as my decimal. 0.2 is shown right up here. If I filled in 5, it would be 0.5. If I filled in 9, it would be 0.9. So however many of these tenths are filled in, you fill in as many tenths as there are. If I had 2 of these, so let me draw another one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I filled it in like this, and I had the whole thing colored in, excuse my poor coloring skills. You guys know I am not an art teacher. It's not what I majored in. Now I have 2 of them. And one of them is fully colored in, and one of them only has 2 colored in. If I have a full one colored in, do I have a whole? Yeah, that's like me saying, okay, you can eat the whole cake, and I give you 10 slices of the 10-slice cake. I have 10 out of 10 right here. This one is 10 out of 10. And this one is 2 out of 10. So now I have to change this at the bottom. Now that I know I have a 1, I could fill in a 1 right here. So I have a whole, which goes in my ones column, and a 2 tenths, which goes in my tenths column. So now I have 1.2. So if you have a whole 1 filled in, a whole thing colored in, you have to put a 1. If you have 2 of these colored in, you have to put 2. This ones column is just asking, how many wholes do you have? How many whole numbers do you have? All right. So, as you know, I have online office hours. If you need to contact me, please do. Ask me all your questions. I will help you out. See you guys later.